Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NS Automation. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the abstraction, the very important OOPS concept, and some keywords like abstract and non-abstract. And when we use these keywords with abstract with the method, what it means, abstract and non-abstract method. So let's start with the abstraction. So if I talk about abstraction, abstraction means abstract of something. If I talk about the definition of this abstraction, that the abstraction means the process of hiding the implementation detail from the user, only showing the functionality to it. Means that when you don't want the inner implementation to be shown to the user, only the main functionality to be shown to the user, you use abstraction. So if I talk about the real-time example, let's take an example of car or bike. You know that how we can start the bike or car, how we use brakes, but you don't know the inner implementation of the brakes and start. You know that if I push this button, the bike get started or the car get started, but you don't know what it happens when you press the button to start the car, or you don't know, you know only the when I use the pedal to brake, the bike get stopped or the car get stopped, but you don't know what will be going to happen when you are pressing that pedal in the terms of inner implementation, how it's implemented the brake. So that the thing where you have the knowledge of the functionality, but you don't know the inner implementation of that. So this type of functionality, this type of processes, you know as the abstraction. So in Java, there are two ways to achieve the abstraction. The first one is interface and the second one is the abstract classes. So I will discuss the interface and the abstract classes in a separate video and show you how we design this and show you the code as well. So for this video, I am only to discuss about the abstraction and some keywords, that the abstract method and the non-abstract method. So let's start. What are abstract method? In terms of Java, I will say that the method which have only the declaration part, those methods are known as the abstraction. Now what it means, that declaration is the something which we haven't specified the implementation of that method, we only specifies the method. So example, if I say, I have also written the syntax, if you can see here, abstract void draw. The draw means this is the method of abstract type, means I haven't specified anything in the draw method. What thing I have to draw, what type, what object I need to draw, I didn't define it, but only I have declared the method draw. So in this, I have this draw as an abstract when I use the abstract keyword before this method. So this method becomes the abstract method. So as I told you about the abstraction, that abstraction means the abstract of something. That means this is the abstract of drawing something. What to draw, I haven't specified that. So if I talk about the real-time example, let's say there is a method in an organization. Suppose that we are working in an organization or we are working on in a college. Okay, so if I talk about the organizational level, so if I talk about organizational, I have created one method, that is the dress code method, and I have declared that formal dress code. Now I have declared this method as an abstract method. Why I have declared this as abstract method? Because the implementation would be different to the different type of people. Suppose that there are two people in an organization, two types of people, that is male and the female. For the implementation of the formal dress code for female is different, and for the male is different. If I talk about the female, they will wear pant, shirt, and as well as the pajama kurtas as well, sorry, salwar kurtas as well, whereas the men will wear only the trouser, shirt, and pant, shirts. So this type of, so implementation is depend upon the different upon the different classes or different people which will use that method of. So in some type of situation where I have used the want to declare that, or I have to use that method, but have the different implementation where I use that method with the different classes. So in that case I declare the method as an abstract method. So now let's take an example. Now take a look on non-abstract method. So non-abstract method, where I haven't used the abstract keyword, that method is known as the abstract method, non-abstract method, sorry. And non-abstract method is also known as the concrete method. Now if I say that if I have declared defined the method which I have declared, that means I have specified the implementation of that method also. That means a non-abstract method. In such a way that I have explained you the example in brief for non-abstract method. Now I will say that same example, but the for non-abstract method. Say suppose that the dress code, if I talk about the institution level or the college level, that means the dress code will be the non-abstract method. Why? Because I have declared the shirt and the pant should be the dress code for every people. So if I have said that the pant and the shirt for every people, that means if I have declared this method for an organization level, institute level, or the college level, that means this is only the thing which you have to be implemented when you are using that method into your classes. So similar way, if I have talked about that, I have also defined the implementation of this dress code. That means you have to wear shirt and pant only. So that if you are using the, if this code, this method is using by the girl or the boy or the male or female, then the implementation would be the same. So so non-abstract method is used in the situation where I have the same implementation all over my project. So this is the non-abstract method. So this is all about today's video. If you guys like my content, please click on like, share my video, and also comment on the section, so that if you want I should create a video or elaborated video on any other topic, I can do that for you. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.